interview about Teacher as Innovator. It is a video interview on educational entrepreneurship. So we will get your opinion about entrepreneurship. So first, can you please introduce your name to us?
So, good afternoon. I am Nian Villarmina, and I am teaching here in St. Cecilia's College for 4 years.
4 years. So, Miss Mayan, so what inspired you to become a teacher?
I was inspired by my previous teachers. So, I want to, because of them, I want to be a teacher because I want also to make a difference from the lives of my students.
So that's great, no? So as past 4 years, so what challenges in teaching have you encountered during your journey here in St. Cecilia's College? St. Cecilia's College.
The major challenge that I have experienced during my 4 years in teaching is the behavior of the students. So since there are many students in one classroom, so it means they are diverse, so they have different behaviors and characteristics. So as a teacher, you need to learn and adapt with their behaviors so that you can think or make a strategy on how to get their attention and also their attention.
Okay. So thank you. So every student has a diverse one with also characteristics, as Miss Mayhan said. So Miss Mayhan, so in innovation and creativity, so as teacher we innovate and we create. So can you describe an innovative strategy or project you introduce in your class?
This project or innovation is not applied for my grade level since this project is applied for our club, which is design. So we have last time we have our project is about robotics. So the students, the member of the club, will make a robot out of Legos. So that's our project last time. So that's one of our project innovation.
Nice, no? Very interesting. So the first question, what Ms. Chelsea asked?
What inspired you to make that innovation?
The thing that inspired me and the other moderator for Science Club is the curiosity of the students. So since almost of, especially graders, they always thought that they love science. So that's one of our inspiration to make a robot out of the Legos. So curiosity and the love of the students for science subjects.
That's true, you know. So next question.
It has inspiration, but there's also a challenges. So what risks or challenges did you face when implementing?
Well, implementing the project, we don't have a major challenge since the students are very excited. I mean, the only minor challenge that we have experienced is the excitement of the students. So since they are very excited, they tend to do the project by themselves or by their own. So since it's a team or a collaboration of the other members, so that's the very important. We need to work together in order to make the project.
But yes, and how your students or the school benefit from it?
So the students is the really benefited of the project since while doing the project, they develop their skills in technology, their creativity, and critical thinking skills.
So the next question is about the connection to entrepreneurship is. So, in what ways do you think being a teacher is similar to being an entrepreneur?
First, I think is communication. Since both of them needs to, the entrepreneur and the teacher needs to communicate with their students and also for their customers. And also persuasion. So we need to persuade, of course, our customers needs persuasion in order for a product to be sold. So just like an entrepreneur, so a teacher should have the ability to persuade their students to develop their skills and also their knowledge.
But with that, how do you create value for your students, school, or the community through your teaching?
Just like what I have told earlier, the value that I have instilled with my students is to develop their critical thinking skills, and of course by teaching them values, life skills, just like responsibility, that they can apply in their real life.
So, next is, what advice can you give to future teachers about being innovative and resourceful?
As what we have said, change is inevitable or change is the only permanent. So as a teacher, you need to be open to changes. So, and also, you need to try to learn new things, or you need to take risks.
Yes, Miss Joby, you have a question?
Yes, last question. So, this is about faith and values. So, how do your moral or faith-based values influence your innovation as a teacher?
Because my moral influence my innovation is by it reminded me that every child has unique skills and capabilities. So we need to nurture that as a teacher, so that by the time that they will have their own life or their own journey, they have the lessons and the values that we have learned as their guide.
Okay, so that's all now. So thank you so much, Ms. Mayan, for that wonderful answer. So we learned many things from you. So we are very thankful for your time and hope to see you around.
From the interview, I saw that teaching is a meaningful journey filled with both challenges and purpose. Teachers keep going because they genuinely care about their students. They try new ideas, not just for innovation, but because they want learning to be more enjoyable and effective. In many ways, teaching feels like entrepreneurship. It takes creativity, problem solving, and desire to make something better. Their faith and values also guide them to be patient, kind, and committed. In the end, I realized that good teachers are more than educators. They are leaders and role models who make a real and lasting impact in our community.
After conducting our interview, I realized that being a teacher is more than just delivering lessons. It is also an act of innovation, courage, and leadership. One insight that stood out to me is how teachers constantly adapt their methods to meet the needs of their students. Our interviewee shared that innovation often begins from simple challenges in the classroom, and through creativity, these challenges become opportunities for growth. I also learned that teachers are just like entrepreneurs. They persuade students to embrace new ideas, take risks, and believe in their own abilities. They create value through creativity, problem solving, and meaningful learning experiences. Our interviewee also reminded us that being resourceful and open to new approaches is essential for future teachers. Lastly, I appreciated how values guide the way they teach. It shows that innovation is not only about strategies, but also about compassion and purpose. Overall, this interview reminded me that great teachers innovate with heart, and their influence goes far beyond the classroom.
That I've learned about the interview is that being a teacher has a correlation with being an entrepreneur. As a teacher, you need to innovate also and be creative about things that you need to do in order for your students to learn and help them explore things. With that, we can't deny that there's a lot of challenges in terms of financial and participation, because sometimes students can't provide things that they need to make that idea possible. Also, you need to consider the development in terms of ethical thing, because you need to alter that their ideas or your idea has a impact on them, why it is needed to exist, and why it is you think it is necessary to do it and successfully innovate it and present it to the world, or maybe in small organizations.
From the interview, we learned that a teacher's journey is long and meaningful, and teachers are inspired by a strong desire to help students. We saw that even if teachers face many challenges, they continue because they love teaching. We learned that new ideas in a classroom often come from wanting to make learning better and more interesting. We also saw that trying new things can be hard, but it usually helps students. We understood that teaching is like entrepreneurship because both require creativity and problem solving. Teachers create value by giving students lessons that help them in real life. We learned that faith and values guide teachers to be patient, kind, and hardworking. Overall, we realized that good teachers and leaders and role models who make a positive difference in their community.
From the interview, I learned that teaching is seen as a dynamic field where creativity and adaptability are highly valued, mirroring the skills of an entrepreneur. It also emphasizes the importance of a teacher's personal values in shaping their innovative approaches to education.